There's nothing on TV. Whoa! What's that?
Looking for flawless skin?
Yes I am.
This clever mask will leave your skin glowing. Simply put it on and let the magic happen. It's like I'm at a club.
I've gotta have it! Wow!
Call now. Don't miss out. Pick up the phone.
You've got it, TV lady. That might be a problem. Why does this have to happen? I know! I can make my own mask! And I can use my granny's old underwear. I just have to make some alteration. I need to concentrate. That's looking good. Let's try it on. I feel like I'm about to rob a bank. But my skin feels amazing. I think it's working. It's so nice to be able to treat myself, you know? Oh, I know. All I do is file and paint nails every day. Am I appreciated? No. I've got the perfect color for you. It's gonna look great. It'll complement your skin tone. Oh yeah, that's looking good. This is some of my best work. Seriously, this should be in an art gallery. You gotta have some bling. I mean, what's the point otherwise? This is taking a while. You can't rush perfection, sweetie. My work here is done. What have you done? I don't believe it! I know, they're stunning. Are you kidding me? It's awful. I'm so upset. Butler!
You yelled, ma'am.
Where did he come from? Look at my nails! Do something!
Is this the rascal who did this atrocity, ma'am? You're out of here.
I'm going somewhere my work is appreciated. The clown college is down the street.
Some people. Don't worry, ma'am. I can fix this.
Let's do this.
First, we need to remove these, things. That's more like it. Now I need a little help. This gadget will make everything better.
What is it?
Prepare to be amazed, ma'am. First, we need to select an image. Then it can be printed on your nails.
Wow, that's so cool! Let's give it a try.
I'll press this button.
Whoa! That's amazing! I love it! Do the rest! Isn't technology amazing? I feel like I'm living in the future. I could do this all day.
I'm starting to regret this. Huh? I'm awake.
This is the best manicure I've ever had. And it's all thanks to you.
I think that's it.
Wow! They look so cute!
They look beautiful, ma'am.
And to think I was gonna fire you.
Wait. What? What did you say?
Hi. I'm here for a manicure.
We're closed.
I never get to have nice things. Ooh, what's that? Looks like I might have a manicure after all.
It's mine. Don't touch it.
Who is that guy? Oh well. Hey, free gum. Maybe today isn't so bad after all. I just wanted to look good. It's so unfair. Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. I could use the gum foil. I think this might work. I'll fold the foil over, and then I'll use the scissors to cut it. I'll start by making a cut on one side. I want to remove a small section. If I open it up, it'll look like a love heart. This will be my template. I'll hold it over my nail. Then I'll paint it with nail polish. It's so easy. And there's no mess. Now I'll carefully remove the foil. Wow, it looks great! I have fancy nails after all. That was such a good idea. I'm so smart. Ew, that tastes horrible. I guess I spoke too soon. I'm so glad no one saw that. But at least my nails look good. I'm really looking forward to my hair appointment. Ooh, I better scan in. This hairstylist is so exclusive. They don't let just anybody in. That's why it's perfect for me. Lexi, so good to see you. You too. Thanks for fitting me in. Let me get you a seat. Robotic seats is the latest thing. Oh, fancy. It's like being at an amusement park. I just hope I don't throw up. Okay, what are we doing today? I feel like something different. Maybe this'll help. Not my style. Nope. Oh, that's different. But I'm not sure. There must be something you like. Oh, this is nice. That's the one. Excellent choice. Let me get my tool. I'm ready. You're gonna love this. Let's get to work. This gadget will braid your hair. I just have to run your hair through it. And it does all the hard work. Now I'll tie off the ends. It really suits you. Now for the rest of your hair. What would I do without this? It saves so much time. Wow, it looks so good! Now let's add some sparkle. I'm so excited! All I do is press this handle and gems attach to your hair. It's so stylish and glamorous. I mean, diamonds are a girl's best friend. Wow, you're a genius! I don't know how you do it. It's perfect. Thanks so much. I'm glad you like it. Hey, what's going on in there? Wow! That's so cool! I can't wait to show it off. She's so lucky. I could never afford to have my hairstyle in a salon like this. Huh? I think I have an idea. It's time for a new look. I need these clothes pegs. First, I'll sit under the clothes dryer. Then I'll take a section of my hair and wrap it around the dryer. I need to make sure it's tight. Then I'll use the pegs to hold it in place. Now for the other side. This is so simple. Now I need to wait. I think that's long enough. I'll remove the pegs and pull my hair free. I've got lovely flowing curls. And I didn't need to go to an overpriced salon. Oh, hi Hazel. What do you think? I love it. Look at my hair. Wow, who styled it? Ugh, I hate mornings. But what can you do? I need to get ready for school. I've got something stuck in my teeth. I really should floss more often. Oh, it's Lexi. I better answer it.
Hey girl, good morning.
Hi, Lexi. Did you do your homework? Hold on. Can you do my makeup?
Of course, ma'am. Let me prep the brush. I'll squirt foundation onto it. That should be enough. Look at it go. It's so hypnotic. And now I'll apply it to your porcelain skin.
It tickles. I love this. It gives an even application.
It's time for your nose, ma'am. No sneezing.
Ta-da! How do I look?
Wow, you look beautiful! I'm not finished yet. This mask is
Great for contouring.
I've been working on my blending skills, ma'am.
What am I watching?
We're done with this. Don't move, ma'am. Let's highlight those cheekbones. You look like a work of art.
It's like watching a beauty makeover show. I hope that's a compliment. Or else you're in trouble.
It's time to make those eyes pop, ma'am. I'll apply the makeup onto this little gadget. This yellow is such a playful color, ma'am. Now I can press it onto your eyelids. It's instant eyeshadow, ma'am. Can't forget the other eye.
You're a wizard when it comes to makeup.
I think I'm ready for school. Hazel?
Why do you look so…
Ordinary? That isn't a good look. I have something for you.
On you go.
Don't say I'm not good to you. Wow, that was quick. Thanks so much. I hope you like it.
Okay, let's do this. My brush has seen better days. It's okay, Huh?
This is hard to watch. I'm trying my best.
Wait a minute. I know what to do. I can use my old food wrap, see?
What?
I'll squirt foundation onto the plastic wrap and then brush it into a circle. Then I'll apply eyeshadow and mascara. Then some darker foundation for contouring. And then lipstick. Watch this. I'll lay it over my face.
Oh my gosh, that's terrifying.
I'll gently press it down and massage it onto my skin. Then I'll carefully peel it off. And my makeup is done! It looks good, huh?
Whoa! What sorcery is this?
I know, you're impressed.
How?
I'll see you at school. Bye! I'm so glad that worked. I better grab my bag. Wow! Whoa, that was lucky. I had a soft landing thanks to Teddy. Oh no. Ah! Why?
Time for today's lesson. Oral hygiene is important, people. No one wants stinky breath. Take your brush and scrub. It's that easy. You try it. And remember, the tooth fairy will be judging you.
Oh, he really suits a skirt. My teeth will be sparkling thanks to this clever little gadget. I better get started. I'll apply toothpaste to the gum shield. I think that's enough. Then I just put it in my mouth. All I need to do is switch it on. The machine does the rest. It's either that or my butler brushes them for me. Wow, that's so cool! All done! How are my teeth? Maybe they need a little more sparkle? Wow, what a difference. This might be difficult. I I better get brushing. First, I need to do something. It's a lot easier when you can take your teeth out. At least I can see what I'm doing. Wow, they're really yellow. This isn't working. What am I gonna do? Hang on. I can use this correction fluid. I mean, it's white. No one will ever know. I'll brush it onto my teeth. It'll cover up the stain. And I don't need a scrub. I just need to wait for it to dry. Wow, they're so white! I'll put them back in. Let's check them out. Wow, they look great.
It's time to check those smiles.
I'll flash my best smile.
Wow, those are some white teeth. And the gems, a lovely touch. They're beautiful. I'm impressed. Well done. Okay, Hazel, it's your turn. Another lovely smile. Excellent work, class.
Phew, I'm glad that worked. I better take some notes. I don't want to forget anything. I'm sure this'll be on the test. Wait, that doesn't look right. Ugh, I've made a mistake. Never mind, it's easily fixed. Aw, it's empty. It's fine. I can fix it.
That's weird. What are you doing?
I'm taking notes. It worked. Okay, you can continue.
I wore a skirt for this?
Looking good. We all want to look our best. What was your favorite hack or gadget? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.